Hello guys, a phone came in for repair which is known as Redmi 14c. The customer reported that this is an accident case. You can easily tell from the back cover. All right, the problem is that the phone is no longer, displaying, and it's no longer bringing any light. So this is having a display issue. And remember, there are some phones that once the display is having problem, the backlight will also be having problem until you repair the display problem before the light can show. Some of the latest phones behave this way. But before we go into the repair, let me show you, okay, that the phone is booting up from my DC power supply. I'm going to power on the phone and you won't see any light from the screen. As you can see the reading from the DC power supply right now, it shows that the phone is powering on right there. But let's put a new screen and power it on again. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen. As you can see, the phone is powered on already. You can see the readings from the DC power supply, but there is no picture, there is no light at all. So this is so black. There no light, no picture. Okay, so how do we go about troubleshooting this type of issue? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. The next thing is to check your schematic diagram to look for where the light section and the display sections are, so that you can take your reading. All right, if you want to learn about how to use schematic diagram to troubleshoot phone problems, please DM us on the numbers on the screen and you are going to join our online training. We're going to train you how to use a schematic diagram like a pro. All right, now let's take readings. I'm going to be using my schematic diagram. Okay, I'm taking measurement. First, I'm looking for short problem on this phone, so that's why I'm taking readings of all the capacitors on the display and the light section. They're always closer to each other. Okay, so my red probe is on ground and my black probe is taking readings. If you want to learn how to use multimeter, I have 5 series video on my YouTube channel right here, so make sure you go and watch it. Why did I switch my probe? There are capacitors that are always reading negative, all right, whenever the display is working. So that is why I switched my probe to take readings. Okay, still on diode mode. If you want to learn all these secrets, join our online training or physical training. All right, DM us on the numbers on the screen. All right, now I'm taking the reading on the FPC. Okay, the anode line for light section, and I can see the anode line is reading. I'm going to read it again, 0.5 voltage drop, which is the perfect reading. So I've taken readings of all these sections and they are all reading properly. They are all reading properly. There's no short, there's no problem. If you are experiencing this type of issue, how would you troubleshoot this? Okay, how would you troubleshoot this? Now let's insert the cable. All right, power on the phone and take another reading on voltage mode. All right, if you want to learn all these secrets, please join our online training. Taking voltage mode, and they are producing voltages, voltages around the display IC, but still the picture is not showing. All right, if you want to learn how to repair this, I have made a video on my Telegram channel on how I was able to repair this. So join our online training or come for physical training if you want to know the solution. Many people troubleshoot, take readings, and everything is reading perfectly well, but they don't know the trick, all right, to make this type of problem work. If you want to know the trick, all right, join our online training. Now I've applied that trick and the phone is going to work perfectly now. Check this out. All right, and the phone is working 100%. How I was able to do this is in our online training. Please join our online training to grasp all these new secrets of all these phones that are just coming out. All right, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in another video. Peace.